Hello claim writers. On this tutorial, we are going to learn how to submit Symbility claim. Once you have completed your estimates, please ensure that all your line items are correct and complete. After that, check all required labor minimums if they are properly enabled. Once you're done, click on the Documents tab to upload the required documents. To upload the file, click on the Add Documents on your upper left in your toolbars. Next is to drag the file you wanted to upload in the document space. Other way to upload the documents is through Symbility.net. Kindly log in to the adjuster's account, then look for your claim in the search box. After that, click on the Documentations tab, then look for Add Document and click Documents. You can now drag your file in the document space. Now, let's go back to our claim. To finalize everything, we need to change the status in progress into ready for review. Then hit the save button on the upper part and click back to claims. Wait for your claim to synchronize. We need to release the ownership of your claim. To do so, please click on the three-dot menu on the right side of your claim. Next is to click Make Available Offline. Wait for it to load. Then, select Release Ownership. And that's how to submit Symbility claim. Thank you.